Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 73. Cashier, closing of the day. Check open orders and serve remaining guests. Before closing, ensure that there are no open orders or unpaid bills for guests who are still present. Make sure all remaining guests are served and attended to. Face-to-face handover. Conduct a face-to-face handover with the incoming staff member or the next shift's cashier. Communicate any relevant information about open tables, pending orders, or special requests. Envelopes for charges. After closing, the cashier should prepare separate envelopes for different types of charges, cash payments, complimentary items, and room charges. Labeling envelopes. Clearly label each envelope with the establishment's name, date, and cashier signature. This ensures proper identification and accountability. Cashier's report. Complete the cashier's report, detailing the day's transactions. Include information such as total sales, cash collected, credit card payments, and any discrepancies or adjustments. This report provides a clear overview of the day's financial activities. Summary report. Prepare the summary report, summarizing the key financial figures and reconciling the cash collected with the sales recorded. This report helps in tracking revenue and expenses. Hand over to front office, FO. Take the envelopes containing charges, the cashier's report, and the summary report to the front office. Coordinate with the receptionist for a smooth handover. Verification and signatures. The receptionist and cashier should review the cashier's report and summary report together. Both parties should sign the reports to confirm accuracy and completion. Secure documentation. Ensure that all reports, envelopes, and relevant documents are securely stored and filed as per the establishment's record-keeping procedures. Shift handover. Communicate important details and any outstanding matters to the next shift's cashier during the handover process. Maintain clear and effective communication for a seamless transition. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.